Welcome to the deep dive. We sift through, well, mountains of sources to bring you the ideas that really matter, getting straight to the point. Today, we're diving into something super practical, using AI for your work, for your career growth. Yeah, our source material today, it comes from the insights from this really significant online session. It wasn't recorded, which is key. It was called Unlock What's Possible with AI for Work and Career Growth. So, our mission for you today is basically to pull out the core insights, maybe some surprising nuggets, from this 2 hour session. It happened on a Sunday, August 3rd, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And like I said, no recordings. That means what we're sharing, it's, freshly distilled from that live event. And the big promise of the session we're unpacking was showing how AI can elevate your daily tasks, your long term trajectory, moving, and this is the phrase they use, from smart prompts to no code automation.
hmm And what's fascinating here, this wasn't just like high-level theory.
Right.
Not at all. The session covered this really remarkable breadth of real-world business industry use cases. It genuinely went from the sort of foundation of working with AI, understanding how to talk to AI effectively, introduction to prompt engineering, which is basically the art of giving AI good instructions, all the way to seeing AI that works while you sleep, through clever workflow automation. So it showed a real practical progression.
Right. And the person behind this material, the expert delivering these insights, Animera, he's the founder and CEO of the Cutting Edge School. And this is a brand that's trained teams at some major global players in Dubai Future Foundation, Dubai Holdings, Lenskart, Reliance Digital, HP, Intel, big names. His whole specialization is AI-driven productivity, workflow automation, and prompt engineering for all sorts of teams, marketing, finance, you name it.
Yeah, and to build on that, what's really compelling about his approach is, well, he has this knack for simplifying AI for business pros. I mean, he's trained over, what, 1,000 professionals
Yeah.
across more than 30 companies? And his master classes, they've been hosted at really prestigious places. We're talking NASSCOM, OpenAI events, Google I/O, IAM Bangalore, IAM Ahmedabad, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay. So that really underscores the depth, yeah?
Yeah.
And the real-world relevance of what he teaches.
Absolutely. And I found it genuinely fascinating how broadly applicable these AI skills are presented to be. This session wasn't just for, the tech folks. It was really pitched as AI skills for every business function.
Hmm.
So marketing and growth people, sales teams,
Hmm.
HR and talent professionals, finance and accounting people,
Right.
even designers and creatives. So really, no matter where you sit in an organization or what your role is, these insights are, well, incredibly relevant for unlocking that next level, efficiency, capability, all that stuff. Okay, so let's sort of wrap up what this deep dive has shown us about AI's power for, growth, efficiency, productivity in your work. This material really offers a practical roadmap, doesn't it, for professionals who are looking to actually implement AI, implement it effectively in their day-to-day tasks and, across their organizations.
Yeah, and if we connect this to the bigger picture, the results from that original session, they're quite striking, actually. The feedback showed 92% rated extremely valuable, an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 from over 2,000 professionals. That's significant feedback. And here's a really powerful stat. 1 in 3, just imagine, 1 in 3 applied AI at work within 2 weeks.
Wow, 2 weeks.
Yeah, it shows the immediacy. And this content, it's already trusted by business professionals across, I think, 280 plus companies worldwide. So that tells you something about its utility, its immediate value.
Right. So what does this all mean for you listening right now? Well, it means there's a path from just sort of learning about AI to becoming a genuine AI leader in your field. And we've seen these real stories of impact, real people like Hemant Walia, founder of A Square Realty, or Anshita Sharma, deputy general manager at HCL, or Aditya Teledevara, senior manager AI tech operations at Seismic Inc. These are examples of individuals getting tangible results. They moved past the hype.
Exactly. They started doing things with it.
Yeah, getting things done.
Which, brings us to a final thought, something for you to maybe mull over. When we see AI automating so much, I mean, streamlining research, generating marketing copy, building avatars, even creating no-code websites, automating entire workflows, what does that leave? What does it mean for the uniquely human skills, the ones that become really paramount?
Ah, good question.
Yeah, how does this shift redefine creativity? Or deep strategic thinking? Or even emotional intelligence in our work? Especially in a professional world that's more and more augmented by AI. So the question for you is, how might you leverage this knowledge, the kind of stuff we've talked about today? How might you use it to carve out a new indispensable role for yourself? A role that AI can enhance, definitely, but one it can't actually replace. Something to think about.